Imagine living in a world without electricity, where gravity is still a mystery, and the night sky is worshipped as the home of gods. A world where medicine is superstition, machines are dreams, and knowledge is limited to myths and ancient texts. Not thousands, but barely a few centuries ago, humanity existed in this darkness. Every technology we take for granted today, from medicine and engines to rockets and artificial intelligence, was once unimaginable, impossible, until someone dared to ask a question. This is the story of Legends of Time, a journey through discovery, courage, rebellion, and the minds that reshaped the universe. Before the 16th century, human understanding of the world was bound by faith and myth. The universe was explained by stories. The stars were gods, and the human body was a mystery dictated by ancient texts. Then, a new generation emerged. Observers, experimenters, and fearless thinkers began to challenge accepted truths. Nicolaus Copernicus proposed a radical idea. The Earth was not the center of the universe. For over 1,000 years, humans had believed everything revolved around our world. But Copernicus placed the sun at the center, setting the stage for a revolution in thought that no authority could extinguish. Galileo Galilei followed, armed with one of the first telescopes powerful enough to observe the heavens. He discovered Jupiter's moons, the phases of Venus, and the rugged surface of the moon. His work confirmed Copernicus's heliocentric model and challenged centuries of dogma. Yet Galileo faced the full force of the Church, tried for heresy, forced to recant, and imprisoned. Despite this, his discoveries could not be silenced. The universe had spoken. Johannes Kepler refined the understanding of planetary motion, proving that planets move in elliptical orbits, not perfect circles. This knowledge paved the way for Isaac Newton, whose laws of motion and universal gravitation explained both the fall of an apple and the orbit of planets. Newton's work did not merely describe the universe, it redefined humanity's place within it and set the stage for centuries of scientific inquiry. Science was not limited to astronomy. Medicine, chemistry, and biology also underwent revolutionary change. Andreas Vesalius dissected human bodies, correcting centuries of anatomical errors and creating the foundation of modern medicine. Robert Boyle challenged the belief that all matter was composed of 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water. His experiments introduced precision, observation, and mathematics into the study of matter, paving the way for modern chemistry. The scientific revolution was neither fast nor safe. Many scientists were exiled, imprisoned, or threatened with death. Yet curiosity triumphed over superstition, and observation replaced blind belief. Step by step, the modern world emerged. Some of the greatest discoveries were accidental. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin by leaving petri dishes unattended, noticing a mold that killed bacteria. Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays when experimenting with cathode rays, revealing the skeleton beneath the flesh. Percy Spencer invented the microwave oven when a candy bar melted near radar equipment, demonstrating a new way to heat food. Charles Goodyear accidentally vulcanized rubber, creating a durable material essential for industrialization. Post-it notes emerged from a failed adhesive experiment, providing a weak but reusable glue that changed offices worldwide. Even chocolate chip cookies were born from a happy accident when Ruth Wakefield substituted chocolate pieces in her dough, and they did not melt. These moments demonstrate that breakthroughs often arise when someone pays attention to the unexpected. Women have long been the hidden architects of science. Rosalind Franklin's X-ray images revealed the structure of DNA, yet Watson and Crick received the credit. Lise Meitner explained nuclear fission, but was denied recognition. Ada Lovelace created the first computer program decades before modern computers existed. Mary Anning, self-taught and determined, discovered fossils that reshaped evolutionary theory, despite having no formal education. Katherine Johnson, Dorothy Vaughan, and Mary Jackson performed critical calculations that enabled NASA's early space missions, including John Glenn's orbital flight. These women's contributions were often erased, yet they changed the course of human knowledge. The history of science is not linear. It is filled with mistakes, serendipity, and insight. Chemists stumble upon new polymers. Astronomers notice unusual stars. Mathematicians predict technological revolutions decades ahead. Every observation opens new doors. Science is as much about curiosity, persistence, and courage as it is about intelligence. The journey continues today, as new questions emerge and new minds rise to explore the unknown. The 19th and 20th centuries brought an explosion of discovery. Electricity was harnessed, telegraphs and telephones connected continents, and medicine advanced with the discovery of germs and vaccines. Marie Curie pioneered radioactivity research, transforming medicine and physics. Alexander Graham Bell revolutionized communication, while Nikola Tesla explored alternating current and wireless energy. The Wright brothers conquered the skies, and Einstein reshaped reality with his theory of relativity. These breakthroughs were built upon centuries of accumulated knowledge and fearless exploration. Accidental discoveries continued to shape humanity. The discovery of plastics, synthetic dyes, and penicillin all emerged unexpectedly. The invention of the internet, initially a military communication tool, revolutionized global interaction. Each innovation reminds us that curiosity, observation, and an open mind are as critical as careful planning. Space exploration marked another chapter in human courage and imagination. Satellites, probes, and rovers expanded our understanding of the cosmos. Humans walked on the moon, robotic explorers reached distant planets, and we continue to search for signs of life beyond Earth. Every mission is a testament to human curiosity, persistence, and the desire to push boundaries. The digital age brought computing, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology to the forefront. Women and minorities, historically underrepresented, continue to make critical contributions. From early programmers like Grace Hopper to modern innovators in AI and genetics, science is increasingly inclusive, building on the legacy of those who were overlooked. Science is a collective story. It is built on curiosity, courage, mistakes, observations, and relentless pursuit of truth. Every era, every discovery, and every overlooked mind contributes to the ongoing journey. The pursuit of knowledge is endless, and the future awaits those ready to question, explore, and imagine. Today, the journey is far from over. New mysteries await. New frontiers are being explored. New generations rise to challenge the unknown. Perhaps the next world-changing discovery begins with someone watching this video today. If you want more stories of hidden truths, lost knowledge, and forgotten history, subscribe to Legends of Time. This is where history breathes, curiosity becomes power, and legends are remembered forever.